it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the CVS Early Ad Preview for the deals starting next week. So these deals will run December 15th to the 21st. So there's definitely a ton of really good deals going on at CVS. Most of them are pretty CRT heavy. If you're new to the channel or new to couponing, CRTs are the specific coupons that CVS gives you. So they either print on the back of your receipt or they're going to print at that CVS red box, the couponing center. So either way is where you get those coupons, and a lot of them require some coupons that would be printing. So fingers crossed, we'll still have a ton of great deals going on for you guys. So I'll be sharing all of those with you tomorrow. I believe I have 5 or 6 must-do deals that I'll be posting tomorrow. I also have my Walgreens must-do deals for next week. So stay tuned on the channel for that. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me and hit that notification bell so when I do post new deals or quick ad previews or anything like that, you guys will be notified. So let's go ahead and dive into the deals. So we have holiday gift wrapping paper here at $1.49. Not a bad deal. That is actually cheaper than if you were to get it at Walmart. We have some seasonal toys and stuff at $3.99. So if you need any last stocking stuffers or anything, that is not a bad deal there. Today, I went out and purchased some gifts for the Salvation Army. They have this angel program where you purchase some different gifts for different angels. You get their name, their age, whether they're, a little boy or a little girl, and kind of what they're looking for. So that would always be a really great item to go ahead and donate. There are a lot of kids who will not be getting any gifts for Christmas. So I did 3 angels. I bought some different gifts and clothes and stuff for 3 little kids. So really excited about that. So keep that in mind throughout the holidays. If you're finding some gifts that are super cute or not that expensive and you're able to donate, make sure you guys take advantage of that. So some red hot deals here: buy one get one free, Russell Stover, some Hershey's Kisses, Coke and Pepsi. See our display for this week's special. So I don't know if that's included in the buy one get one free because it's not listed next to it. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see when we get the actual ad printed, and obviously on Sunday when we go in store, we'll have to kind of check that out. So some more stocking stuffers here. Make it bigger for you guys. Some more candies. Haribo, buy one get one half off. Better deal is this week at Walgreens. They're buy one get one free. Same here, 3 for $5. Better deal is at Walgreens this week. It's on the I can't think of it. Black Forest gummies as well. That's what it is. Black Forest gummies. Candy canes, 2 for $5. Kit Kat and Reese's, 2 for $1. Not a bad deal. Let's see what else. M&M's, buy 2 get $1 extra buck. Some more gifts here. Merci chocolate. There is an Ibotta rebate on Merci chocolate, I believe, so make sure you guys are checking your Ibotta accounts. I did do an Ibotta haul for the $10 gingerbread bonus, so I will make sure I put that in the description box for you guys as well. There's a ton of Ibotta rebates going on right now, so always great to get additional cash back on top of the really great offers at Walgreens and CVS. Reese's Minis and Hershey's Cookie Crunch, buy 2 get $2 extra buck. More Blue Diamond. We have a ton of Blue Diamond deals, I feel like almost every week. So I think the coupon is still valid, but I'll have to double check. Oreos, 2 for $6, buy 3 get a $2 extra buck. So that would make them 2 for $4, or just $2 each. Not the best deal, but not the worst. Any deal is better than no deal. More DiGiorno deals. They are 3 for $10. I believe we have the $5 off 3 coupon in our on our CVS app, so just double check that. Some soup deals. Pepsi, juices. I don't understand. It just says see shelf for this week's special. So I don't know. I think they're just trying to get more people in store, so they're not really giving us a lot of details on this, obviously. Maybe it's a buy one, get one free, buy one, get one half off. I'm not sure. We're just going to have to wait and see, and I will make sure that I take a look at all of those in my Sunday haul video, so that way I can let you guys know, and that way you can see if you kind of want to head in store and take advantage of those deals. 30% off with card, 40% off on select holiday decor, which is a pretty nice deal. If you guys need any last holiday decor, I remember this. My mom, it was either my mom or my grandma had one of these, and we always had it in our house. So that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll pick that up. Kind of nostalgic. Some more gift ideas. 25% off Wayland's square fountains. Those are always cute. I think I got that from my mom one year. Okay, so nothing too hot there. Sorry, my computer's being crazy. Okay, looks like we're getting into some better deals and some laundry deals. So some more gifts here, $29.99 for True Wireless Light Up Tower speakers, a 2-pack. That's pretty cool. American Home by Yankee, spend 20, get 5. If you participated in the candle day, I'm sure that was better deals going on. I did not. I'm not a huge candle person, though, to be honest. I use those Renews It cones and Febreze small spaces and things like that. I have a few candles in the house, but I'm not too huge on those. Downy and Tide Simply, $2.94 with card. If you have a $1 off digital coupon, use that. That would make it just $1.94. Per sale, spend 30, get $10 extra buck. Spend 15, get $3 extra buck, buy one, get one half off on Febreze, Puffs, Cascade, Swiffer, and Airwick, and Mr. Clean. It says we have a send a card coupon. I believe it's for the Puffs. I'm not sure. So I'll have to double check. I do have a couple CRTs for Febreze as well. We are getting one insert in this Sunday's paper, so hopefully we'll have some coupons that we can combine, and I can put together a good deal on this. Spend 20, get a $5 extra buck on Cottonelle, Kleenex. Hopefully there's a couple more deals available for that. Otherwise, obviously you can just buy 2 Cottonelle, do the 50-cent send to card. I'm sure there's a 50-cent in the newspaper coming out. So that would be $18.98, get back a $5 extra buck. Not the best deal, but these regular price, even at Walmart, I believe are like 15 bucks. So it is still pretty good of a deal. 99 cents for Palmolive 10 ounces. Get a 25-cent coupon at the coupon center. So that will print for everyone. Tide is going to be included, and spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. Why is my computer just being so crazy? It's just been one of those days, unfortunately. Okay. More last minute deals, getting into our cosmetics. Wet n Wild, spend 10, get a $7 extra buck, limit of 3. Rebel Rose, this looks pretty cool actually. It does include the gift set, so a lot of the gift sets are $4.99. You can buy 2 of them, get a $7 extra buck, makes it $1.49 per gift set. So that's a really hot deal for some cute little gifts. Essence Cosmetics, spend 9, get a $3 extra buck. LA Girls, spend 12, get 6. Elf Cosmetics, same deal going on this week. Kiss Artificial Nails, spend 10, get 3. These ornament earrings and stuff are so cute. I love wearing holiday earrings, like my favorite thing. I have a ton of them. Okay, so here's some really good deals. Jergens, my absolute favorite lotion, is $6.99. You would get $1 back on Ibotta. So if you bought one, get $1 back. That would make it $5.99. If you have a 2 off 6 lotion, you can pair that as well. That would make it, you would pay $4.99. Get $1 back from Ibotta, final cost $3.99. So not a bad deal. I personally super love Jergens, super. Olay, 2 for $11, buy 2, get $2 in extra bucks. Irish Spring, 2 for $5, buy 2, get 2. Not the best deal. Eucerin, again, we've been seeing this one week after week, so I'll make sure I put together a deal on that for you. Spend 20, get 10. Nivea includes the lotion and the body wash. I've actually been using the body wash and it's really nice. It's a very light scent. It's not super perfumey. I really like it. My boyfriend likes it as well. It's not super girly. So I might be doing the body wash. I have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT. The body wash is a little bit more expensive. So if you buy the lotion, you can buy 2 of them. They're $4.99. And you can buy the, I think it's 5.8 ounce, and use the $2 off Centicard if you still have it in your app, and a $2 off coupon if you had printed it from coupons.com. That coupon went really fast. I didn't even get a chance to print it, but that would be a really good deal. That is in one of my breakdowns for you guys. Anything else? Biore, 2 for $14, buy 2, get 2. L'Oreal, I'm doing this deal next week 100%. I have a $7 Age Perfect CRT. There's $2 off coupons on coupons.com right now for L'Oreal. I have a 6 off or 5 off 22 facial care or something like that. That would work as well. So this is going to be a super, super hot deal. Spend 30, get 10. That is in my must do deals that I will post tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited for that. I've never used L'Oreal, but I've heard really good things about it. Okay. Got to be, I'd stay away from this. There's no coupons or anything right now. Spend 20, get 7. Spend 30, get 10. So this is part of that same deal with the Tide that's included. Persil is included. Pantene is included. Head and Shoulders, there's a 5 off 2 Centicard, 5 off 2 Centicard on Herbal Essence, and 5 off 3 Centicard for Pantene. So if you really want to stock up on hair care, you can do all 3 of these. Do a 4 off 18 hair care CRT and a 3 off 12 hair care CRT if you have both. Or if you have the 3 off 15 CRT, the app only coupon for Pantene, you can combine that. Really good deals going on there. Nexus is back again. Spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. The Nexus coupons on coupons.com are gone, so hopefully you were able to print 1 or 2. You should still have a $5 digital coupon as well, so that would make that a really good deal. You could pair the 4 off 18 hair care CRT with that deal instead if you'd like. Obviously, just kind of cater that to whatever you guys use. Tons and tons of oral care deals. A lot of these are going to be in my must-do deals. Scope is $4.79, dollar Centicard coupon. Buy 1, get a $3 extra buck. Makes it just 79 cents. And this is for the 1 liter. And I like Crest Scope. That's what I use. I like that way more than Listerine. Listerine just like super burns the crap out of my mouth. So that one's like not really my thing. Speed Stick, 2 for $5.50. Buy 2, get $2.50. Final cost is, I think, like $1 each or something. If you go on speedstick.com, there are 50-cent off coupons that you can print. Some Pampers deals. These are included in that spend 30, get 10, so that's really awesome. 2 for $20. Walgreens, they're 2 for $18, but there's no deals or points back. So it would be better to pair it with the spend 30, get $10 extra buck. If you have a 3 off 15 baby care, you can combine that to make it your out-of-pocket a lot cheaper. This is a long ad. Now we're in the medicines. Spend 20, get a $5 extra buck on NyQuil, Vapor Rub. I don't know what kind of coupons we have with those. Nicorette gum. There is a Ibotta rebate on Nicorette gum, like $8 back or something. So make sure you guys check that out. I think there's a better deal at Walgreens. I did the ad. I will link the Walgreens ad below as well. Excedrin, really hot deal on Excedrin. There's also Ibotta rebates back on this. Spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. I will put this in my breakdown as well. We all could stock up on some pain relievers for the holidays. Okay, Dulcolax, Rolaids, Kaopectate, spend 20, get 5. I believe there is Ibotta rebates, $3 on Dulcolax. There's an Ibotta rebate on Rolaids. I just don't remember how much. So that could be a good deal that way if you were using that app. $4 Centicard coupon on vitamins. Almost done here, a couple more pages. Any Depends, spend 30, get a $10 extra buck, limit of 1. Spend 15, get 5 on Sleep Aid Essentials, Excedrin PM Headache, Tylenol PM. I don't know what coupons we have. I know there's an Excedrin coupon in a previous Retail Me Not, I believe. More extra buck deals for that same spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. We have Bounty, Charmin. We only have a $1 Cent-A-Card coupon and a $1 coupon coming in the paper. Super, super crappy. We've been getting $2 coupons, so that's super low value. I wouldn't pay $3.94 for Tide Pods or Gain Flings. This is a really hot deal. This is going to be included. It's going to be a really good moneymaker. In the past, the digital coupons for Crest have been stacking. There is a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Make sure you send that. I believe there's a 3 off 2. I have a $2 off Crest coupon on my app as well still. So make sure you guys send all those to your card. You never know what's going to add and what's going to work and what is not. Revlon, we're going to get a mystery offer. Hopefully it is at least $3. It's typically at least $3. Sometimes it's up to $5, so not bad there. I do have a $3 off CRT that I got for all May. It is spend 10, get a $4 extra buck. Gillette and Venus razors, buy 2, get 8. Not a bad deal. Sometimes we get buy 2, get a $10 extra buck, so that would be a better deal, of course. And we are on the last page. And that's it. So Hallmark cards are going to be buy 3, get a $2 extra buck. Before it was buy 3, get 3, so not as good of a deal, but still a hot deal, especially if you have a 3 off 3 or 3 off 2 Hallmark CRT. You're going to get 3 cards for $1. So really good deal if you have those CRTs. So those are all the quick deals and stuff I wanted to kind of go through with you in the ad preview. Again, I will post my 5 or 6 must-do deals for CVS. I'll post my must-do deals for Walgreens tomorrow. So check back on my channel. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.